Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Concours 1400. This beautiful sport touring bike just arrived with only 19,000 miles. Beautiful condition. New tires, Kawasaki traction control, ABS brakes. It's got the side cases that are locking, removable, and a top case. Heated grips. Mechanical cruise control, shaft drive. 1,400 cc's of hyper sport touring power. Price to sell for just $10,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.